Hello and welcome to a new video from me. Today we are crocheting this moon pillow, but very briefly I would like to apologize for not being so active in the comments right now, but I'm preparing the whole of December and I'm currently working from morning till night until I go to sleep, so I can't be that active, but that will change soon because I'm almost done with everything. Anyway, I'll write everything you need for the moon in the first comment and pin it so you don't have to look for it, and then I'd say we can get started. You start with a magic ring. If you don't yet know how the magic ring works, I'll link you to a video where you can see it better. As we are going to crochet half double crochets, make one more chain here and then crochet 8 half double crochets in the magic ring. So yarn over, insert hook, pick up thread, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert, pick up thread, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert, pick up yarn, pull through all 3 loops. Once you have this, pull the magic ring tightly together. If it doesn't work right away, just try again. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. Then take a marking yarn so that you know where the beginning of the round is. Now double every stitch. This means that you crochet 2 half double crochets in each stitch. I will always do a color change after 2 rounds, and it works like this. I pull the yarn up a little, then I insert it into the middle of the stitch and come out the front again. You have to make sure that you pick up the yarn over from the half double crochet, then pick up the new color, pull it through, and double every other stitch in this round. This means that you crochet a half double crochet into the first stitch and 2 half double crochets into the second stitch. Then another half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets. In between, pull the thread from before tight, in other words, where you can still see the large loop. And then double every second stitch again. So that means a half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 half double crochets in the second, then another half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets. I'm doing another color change here, and of course I'll show you that again. So I pull up the yarn, insert it into the middle of the stitch, come out at the front, take the new color, pull it through, and in this round you double every second stitch again. This means, of course, just like before, you crochet a half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 half double crochets in the second, and repeat this until the end. Now double every third stitch. This means that you crochet a half double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches and 2 half double crochets in the third stitch. Repeat this for the whole round. Here comes another color change for me. I pull up, insert into the middle from the top, and come out at the front. Take the new color and pull it through there. In this round, you double every 4th stitch. This means that you crochet a half double crochet in each of the first 3 stitches and 2 half double crochets in the 4th. Repeat this for the whole round. Now every fifth stitch is doubled. This means that you crochet a half double crochet in each of the first 4 stitches and 2 half double crochets in the fifth stitch. Repeat this for the whole round. Then I do another color change. I insert from the top, come out the front, and pull the new color through. And now I crochet 2 half double crochets in each of the first 3 stitches. So I make 3 increases and then crochet a half double crochet in each of the next 48 stitches. Now crochet and increase 6 times. This means that you crochet 2 half double crochets in each of the next 6 stitches. Then crochet another half double crochet in each of the next 48 stitches, or until there are 3 stitches left if you don't feel like counting. And then crochet another increase 3 times. This means 2 half double crochets in each of the last 3 stitches. You will then have 6 increases at the top and bottom. In this round, crochet and increase 3 times at the beginning. This means you crochet 2 half double crochets in each of the first 3 stitches. Then crochet a half double crochet in each of the next 54 stitches. Then crochet and increase 6 times again, and 2 half double crochets in each of the next 6 stitches. And then crochet another half double crochet in each of the next 54 stitches, or until you have 3 stitches left. Then crochet another increase 3 times. In other words, crochet 2 half double crochets in each of the last 3 stitches. I am now making my last color change here. So insert into the center at the top again, come out at the front, take a new color, and then crochet a half double crochet in each stitch for 2 rounds, so 2 normal rounds. If you have this, cut a long thread for sewing together and pull it completely through the last stitch. If you like, you can also crochet the moon together with single crochet stitches. That's entirely up to you. I prefer to sew things together. You could now sew the threads on the inside, but to be honest, I personally just tie knots in them because you can't see them later anyway. But of course, you can also sew it up. I just make a knot in all the threads. And once you have that, fold it in the middle so that the multiple increases are at the top and bottom. Then take a needle and sew the whole thing together. You stitch through both stitch links and pull the thread tight. Then go into the next 2 stitches and pull the thread tight. Do this until you have completely reached the other side. In between, however, you must stuff the moon again and again so that you can reach it properly everywhere. Once you have reached the bottom, you can tie another small knot. You stitch in the front of the tip again, which is unfortunately a bit blurry here, and pull the thread tight. Here you have the small loop, go through it and then pull the thread tight. Then you can pierce the thread through the middle again, come out somewhere, pull the thread on. Maybe make a small knot in it, and then cut off the rest of the thread and put the knot in the moon. And your moon cushion is ready. Here I show you the difference in size. I crocheted this with a 3mm hook and the moon next to it with a 5mm hook. If you use thicker wool and the right hook, the moon will also be bigger. You can't change the instructions with more stitches as usual, otherwise the whole thing will deform and then it will look like a vanilla kip furl. I have tried this, but it doesn't work so well. And yes, here we have 16 centimeters and here 21 centimeters. And if you adjust the wool, it will get bigger and bigger, and then you can adjust it to suit you. You can now also crochet a nose for the moon and embroider a face on it, depending on what you want to do. Personally, I found it nicer without the face and hat and all the stuff, but depending on who you're making it for, it might be nice. And I hope you enjoyed the instructions and found them helpful. If so, I'd be happy to receive a thumbs up, and if you'd like to support me, please feel free to share the video, and I'll see you again in the next video. See you then. Bye.